How to start TikTok dropshipping from scratch. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can start TikTok dropshipping, how you can use TikTok that you use all day on your mobile phone to actually make money, sell your products, how to get started with your own Shopify store for the dropshipping, how to find the right products, what are the right products you need to go for. I'll actually break down everything for you. So let's get into the video. I will actually break down the steps for you first. The first step is going to be finding the products, and we'll find the products organically from TikTok for free. Once we find the product, then we will move to creating our own Shopify store for the dropshipping. And then we'll find our products from AliExpress, where we will be able to find the cheap products that we discovered from TikTok. List the products on Shopify and then run TikTok ads in order to sell the products. So, that is the simple step by step guide in order to start the TikTok dropshipping. So let's get into the process. First, we need to find the products from TikTok. So for that, you can see sometimes we are watching TikToks and we find these TikToks where we find these amazing products that are actually really cool, these gadgets that we can go for, and these gadgets are actually very simple and very cheap gadgets that we need. But in reality, the people who are actually doing the drop shipping and creating these TikToks, trying to make these products go viral, are actually businesses, and they are behind this. So, in order to find the right products, it's going to be very easy. We simply know what's famous on TikTok, right? And if there is a product that everybody is trying, we know that this product is actually doing good. For instance, let's take this gadget right here, which is a simple, a gadget to wash your glasses. Now, this is actually a really cool gadget. And if I look on this TikTok, I'll be like, oh, okay, this is really cool. And here we have this glass washer. This is actually the name of the product. Okay, now I know the name of this product. What I will do is, first, we can actually do our product search. So we'll go to AliExpress because AliExpress provides us the Chinese-based product that are pretty cheap and we'll be able to make a lot of profit. We can buy this product for maybe in cents and sell this for a higher price. So what we will do is we'll just search for a glass washer and we'll search for it. And there you go. This is the first product that I see. A lot of different suppliers are providing this product, and this product is actually for pretty cheap. This is the product that we just saw, and this one is actually available for $8 to $9. Okay, here on AliExpress this one is $8 to $9. Okay, some giving for $5, $3, $2. Okay, and we have different suppliers. So what you do is you find the product from here and you're like, okay, this product is actually doing good and it will make me a good profit. It's a simple research that you need to do on TikTok. And if you use TikTok every day, I mean, we love TikTok. We're always scrolling down and watching these videos. So of course, you'll come across a product that you will like. For instance, you can go for maybe phone cases. You can go for stickers. You can go for these cool gadgets, anything that you like. So once you have the product, now you need to get started with your online store. So you can go to shopify.com, and as a complete beginner, you'll be able to get a free trial here. And this is one of the easiest and the most famous dropshipping platform. Go to shopify.com, and all you need to do is just enter your email address. After that, it will take you right here. So let me actually show you how to create a store. This is the first step. Let's get started. Which of these best describes you? So I'm just going to click on I'm just starting, and then next. And then we have where would you like to sell? We want to create an online store. We have social media here too. So social media, reach customers through Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So you're going to select this one as well because we will be... Now, TikTok doesn't support a store online like Facebook or Instagram, right? They have their shops. TikTok doesn't. But we will be actually reaching our customers through TikTok. You need to select this one as well. Click on next. Okay, which social channel do you want to sell on? We need to sell on TikTok. then next. Okay, what do you plan to do? Products I buy or make myself, or drop shipping? So we will be doing drop shipping, sourced and shipped by a third party. Now click on next. After that, you just have to give your store a name. For now, I'm just gonna call it a test store and click on next. Then we're gonna select our region, click on next, and our online store will be created. So here we have our own store. So this is how you get started with your own dropshipping store for free, with a free trial on Shopify. Shopify is actually really easy to do. Now you can see we have a Shopify store. This is my main admin, and this is our online store on Shopify. So you can visit your online store here and you can customize your page. There's a lot of things to do here. There are already videos on this channel about Shopify, on a lot of videos on how to create a page, how to customize a website, how to get started, everything. So we are here and we're actually focusing on TikTok dropshipping. So what we will do is, first of all, we need to connect our Shopify with TikTok, and we can do that. So what we do is we can actually go to the ad apps here, and we have a, Shopify app store. So I'm just going to open it up. All right. So here I'm going to search for TikTok. So we will search for TikTok in the search bar, and you can see we have our results. TikTok, showcase your products to TikTok's billions of users. Now keep in mind, we're actually creating a store on Shopify, but we'll be able to showcase the products. So this is the app right here. You're going to select it. Free to install. This one is completely free, which is good, and it has 4.7 rating. Now what you will do is you'll click on install here. It depends on your country as well. And you can see create a TikTok video ads, track results, and manage your orders. The TikTok app on Shopify makes it easy to get your business in front of billions of highly engaged customers. So this is the step here. Install the TikTok pixel in one click to measure the performance. Build TikTok style videos. So you will actually need to then create TikToks for the product that you select and the product that you have created. Sync your products from Shopify to TikTok to create high performing ads, and we will create ads as well. So once you connect your TikTok to your Shopify, it will be added here. Now the next step is creating the product on Shopify. So you can see we have the product section here. So we're going to go to the products and click on add your product. We can also import the products from any of the dropshipping suppliers. So for me, I'll be using AliExpress. You can even use Amazon and connect Amazon to your Shopify and more. So for AliExpress, again, you will actually you can connect your AliExpress to Shopify the same way we connected TikTok. You can go to the Shopify App Store, and you're going to search for AliExpress and connect it, or you can create manual products. When it comes to manual product, that means that what I will do is we can actually do two things here. You can order the product first yourself, and then you will create the TikToks yourself, or sometimes the videos are given with the product that we have selected. For instance, we have this here, and I will open it up. We will get all the information from the supplier here. Okay, so the video is, we have a video, so I'm just gonna play it to see what kind of video we have. All right, so you can see we do have a video that I can download and, convert it into a TikTok type of video. So this is a video for the product demonstration. So this is the video here that we need to convert into a TikTok style. That means we need to create a mobile video. Okay, perfect. And then we have some of the images. What we will do is we'll get the video that we can upload to a Shopify as well, where we upload the media. We can add videos and images. Product name is going to be this here. Kitchen sink, glass, rinser, stainless steel, height. So you need to kind of like use all of these keywords. This is important. Then we have to use the description. So the description will be found here as well. You can scroll down to even copy and paste the description to your Shopify, because we're doing the drop shipping. So once you do that, you're going to go to the pricing. Because this product is, let's say, $5, then I will be selling this one for 10. Or if this product is $2, then I'll be selling it for 10. So this is how we make our profit. Once the product is listed on Shopify, here, this is actually very easy. You enter the title, description, and the media, just how you, add any product on Shopify. Click on save and your product will be added. So once the product is added, now you can go back to TikTok. And on TikTok, what you will do is you will simply create TikTok ads. This is the way to kind of like boost your engagement, or you can create a TikTok profile and start posting your TikToks. And you can then create ads with those TikTok. Creating ads on TikTok is actually really easy. You can just go to tiktok.com/ads and you can create a business profile and you can create ads for TikTok. And this way you'll be able to engage your millions of users that are on TikTok. And these customers are actually very active. TikTok is a very active platform. That is why this is one of the platforms that you should go for when it comes to creating your online business and creating your dropshipping store. So yeah, guys, these are the steps that you need to do in order to start TikTok dropshipping from the scratch. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know what TikTok dropshipping is and how to get started. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.